We are having a community environment day where we have asked a lot of our local partners to be a part of speaking to our kids and how to take care of the environment. We have the DNR, we have the YMCA, we have bees, birds, trees, recycling, and water. This is one of our project-based learning activities and part of our GLSI grant.
This event today, our community day, it is an incredible learning experience and opportunity for our students. So as you see, they rotate around to each station. Stations are connected to our ELA curriculum. And on top of that, we've added in the career awareness component to each station.
One of the steps we had to go through was teaching them the career zones so they can understand how that's incorporated not only at their age now, but how they can carry that on throughout the rest of their lives and how they can see themselves in the future. It's kind of a real life connection that they can make. Well, I think as a parent and as a teacher, things like this, these kids will never forget this day and what they learned from all of our presenters.